Our goal today is to install the missing part. The first one is Custom Explorer, which I didn't show you before midterm, right? Okay, we can take a look at TSI website. For Custom IC design, there is a Custom Explorer. Then if you go to Acquire, you can see that currently the newest version is 2024.09-SP2. There are two versions in 2024, 09-SP1 and 09-SP2. I think we can download and install this software directly. So the first step is to download software, right? So our goal today is install. So let's run this command. Okay, let's type TRXVA Custom Explorer. You can use a tab to auto-complete the file name. Remember, last time I show you, if you press C and press tab, you can the bash shell will auto-complete file name for you. Remember, tab. Then uppercase COPTEDA, enter. It will extract a new directory called Custom Explorer. So please download the file and extract it to OPTEDA Custom Explorer directory. Then later we will configure our environment. Okay.